Turn your home plans into reality with richmondcustomhomes.com. Have you found a home in the right location, but it needs upgrades? Or maybe you already own your home and want to improve it? A renovation loan can help you finance both the property and the improvements in one structured solution. Instead of taking out a separate construction loan or high-interest credit, renovation financing rolls the purchase price and renovation costs into a single mortgage. That means one application, one closing, and one monthly payment. Funds for approved improvements, such as kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, roofing, or structural updates, are built directly into the loan amount based on contractor estimates. This approach not only improves the home's livability but may also increase long-term property value and equity. At richmondcustomhomes.com, we guide you through budgeting, contractor documentation, appraisal considerations, and loan structuring, ensuring your renovation plan aligns with your financial strategy. Don't overlook potential. Finance it strategically and build the home you truly want. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmall.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.